Okay, so how to plant papaya seeds. I've already planted them and I'm going to put the steps. It's very, 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 very easy. You buy the papaya, you eat it and enjoy it. You take the seeds out and harvest it. You get a pot, fill it with dirt, put the papaya seeds down, cover it with about 2 inches of dirt, and then you wait. Mine took about, these ones actually took about 6 weeks, which I was surprised. And then you get this. You're gonna wait till they get much taller, and then you can take the seedlings out and pot them in plants. And that's how you grow papaya in containers from seeds. Grow your scraps. Stay tuned, I will make an updated video for how they are doing.